Welcome to English in a Minute from home. Gut is another word for your stomach area. But what could it mean to have a gut feeling?
Jonathan, how's it going with that girl you met in your Zoom dance class?
It's going okay. She's nice and interesting, but I just have a gut feeling that we're not right for each other.
Listen to your gut, Jonathan. If I had only listened to my gut.
Lots of people feel something physically in their stomach when they experience strong emotions. If you have a gut feeling, you sense something about a situation. You may not know why you feel that way, but you just know you're right. And that's English in a Minute.